Google Gemini to offer reply suggestions on Gmail app for Android. The emergence of a latest rumor suggests that Google Gemini might be working on a new feature to offer reply suggestions on the Gmail app on Android. The rumor specifies that the feature could be an exclusive functionality for the Gemini Advanced subscribers, having access to AI model coupled with other features offered with a bundle. The feature is in the development phase and might make its way to users in the near future. Citing a prolific tipster's report, it was reported that the integration of Google Gemini AI into Gmail app is a step towards making mailing convenient for users, as it will eliminate the need to read every email carefully and draft replies to them. The sneaky integration of the feature was spotted within the Gmail app, extending an array of suggestions each time a user opens an email and clicks on a reply option to open the text field. The replies are said to be labeled as reply suggestions from Gemini and based on the email's content. Considering an intricate response Gemini provides upon sharing an email to its web interface, it appears that the email reply suggestions on Gmail app isn't exploiting the full potential of AI. Nevertheless, the feature might save time as the suggestions pop up right on top automatically. Once a suggestion is clicked, it gets copied to the text field with the option of being sent directly or edited for clarification. The search giant in February this year announced to integrate Gemini Ultra into Google Workspace apps to let users access AI features in Gmail, Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Meet with Gemini Advanced as part of Google One AI Premium plan. The monthly subscription charges for Google Advanced are $19.99. Fortunately, there's an ongoing promotional offer where users can try it out for free for 2 months. Moreover, the Google One AI Premium plan also offers 2 TB of storage for Google Photos, Google Drive, and Gmail, besides other Google One Premium perks.